In the quiet moments, between the hum of your fridge and the glow of your TV, your home is working harder than you think. Guarding, storing, cleaning, comforting. But what if it could do more? What if small, clever tools could turn everyday hassle into effortless routine and make your home feel a little bit futuristic? Tonight, we step into that future. Hidden corners, cleaning what you can't reach. We start small. Those thin gaps beside your stove. Grime packed into window tracks. Dust hiding inside keyboard keys and car vents. The crevice cleaning brush goes where your hands can't. A slim, curved head dives straight into tight cracks. Tough bristles rip out dirt that's been sitting there for months. A non-slip handle keeps every scrub controlled. Bathroom upgrade, a cleaner, greener routine. Now step into the bathroom. Meet the clear rear bidet attachment. Dual nozzles give both rear and feminine cleaning options, letting you customize every wash. A simple knob shifts from a gentle mist to a stronger stream. Installation takes about 15 minutes, no plumber needed. And with far less toilet paper being used, it's good for your wallet and the planet. Your bathroom routine becomes cleaner, fresher, and surprisingly luxurious. If you know someone who loves practical upgrades, share this or save it for your own home improvements list. Backyard intelligence, birds, solar, and AI early morning. Soft light. A flutter of wings. On a humble feeder sits a tiny HD camera, the Smart Bird Feeder. AI inside identifies birds from a database of over 11,000 species. When a new visitor lands, your phone buzzes. You open the feed and see every feather in crisp 1080p. Kids learn from it. Adults share clips. Solar power keeps it running non-stop. Suddenly, your backyard becomes a miniature nature documentary, starring guests you never knew visited. Silent protection, stopping leaks. Before they spread, water damage rarely announces itself. It creeps, under sinks, behind washers, across basements. That's why the smart water leak detector stands guard. Its thin sensors slide into places you rarely check. The moment water appears, instant alerts hit your phone, SMS, and email. A 200-meter hub range keeps even large spaces covered. Atmosphere. Firelight. Without fire. Lights dim. And a soft glow flickers. This is the flame effect humidifier. It releases a gentle mist to soothe dry air and carries your favorite essential oils. On its front, a surprisingly realistic flame animation dances, cycling through colors or reacting to sound. With up to 10 hours of quiet operation and auto shutoff, it turns any room into a cozy retreat. It doesn't just adjust humidity, it shifts the entire mood. Storage and space, from cluttered to calm. Move to the kitchen or bathroom, where clutter thrives. The slim Mosomni storage cabinet slides into tight gaps you thought were useless. 3 adjustable shelves keep everything visible and tidy. Magnetic doors seal it up. Wheels glide smoothly without scratching floors. In the living room, the U-Bore slim side table becomes your charging and organizing station. 2 USB ports, 2 AC outlets, shelves, and a flip-top drawer keep devices and essentials close without creating clutter. Your space starts to feel intentional, not crowded. Color, sound, and nightlife. Lights that play along. Step outside after dark. The patio glows with GVY outdoor smart lights. With 16 million colors and 47 modes, every evening becomes a scene you control. Chill ambiance? Tap. Full party mode? Tap. Music sync lighting? Instant. They're waterproof, shatterproof, and built to shine through weather and time. Your backyard shifts from plain to unforgettable. Keys, reinvented. Smart security. Made simple picture coming home with full hands. Groceries, packages, maybe a drink balancing on top. The Ultra Lock. Smart lock makes entry effortless. Unlock with your fingerprint, your phone, your Apple Watch, or a discrete passcode. Assign temporary codes, store up to 100 fingerprints, and let it auto-lock behind you. Fast DIY installation. Works with Alexa and Google. Security becomes smooth and invisible. Everyday luxury. Warm towels on demand. Steam settles in the bathroom. You step out, and your towel is warm. The 2-in-1 hot towel warmer turns a simple routine into a small spa moment. Just drop in damp towels, press a button, and in minutes they're evenly heated. Perfect for facials, baths, or resetting after a long day. Its large capacity handles multiple towels at once, and built-in safety features keep everything controlled and worry-free. Order and airflow. Closets and comfort. Reimagined your closet is crowded and chaotic. Clothes stacked, slipping, impossible to manage. The magic hangers fix that instantly. Each hanger holds 5 garments in neatly spaced slots. Rotate them 360 to browse, then drop one side to save up to 80% of space. Visibility improves, wrinkles decrease, and the daily outfit hunt gets easier. Across the room, the DRO Smart Fan delivers cool air with precision. It blasts airflow up to 90 feet, dropping the room's temperature in about a minute. Control it with your voice, phone, or remote. Adjust speeds, set timers, even customize RGB lighting for the perfect vibe. It's quiet, powerful, and fully tailored to your comfort. The Couch Command Center and the ceiling above. You're settled on the couch, phone dying, laptop slipping, coffee just out of reach. That's when the C-shaped side table slides effortlessly into place. With 2 USB ports, 2 outlets, a sturdy top, and side pockets for remotes and tablets, it's light enough to move yet strong enough to rely on. In seconds, it becomes your personal command center, keeping everything you need right within reach. Above you, a 52-inch ceiling fan quietly transforms the room. Its whisper-quiet copper motor pushes smooth airflow, while reversible walnut and black blades match your style. The bright LED offers 3 color temperatures, and the smart remote lets you control it all. 6 speeds, timers, and reversible mode with a single tap. Together, they don't just furnish your space, they tailor it to your comfort, your routine, your vibe. So walk back through this upgraded home in your mind. The brush reclaiming forgotten corners. The bidet redefining freshness. AI greeting birds, sensors preventing disasters, lights painting your nights, locks guarding your doors. Warm towels, organized closets, smarter airflow, calmer spaces. These aren't big renovations, just thoughtful choices that transform how home feels. Which tool would you bring home first? The smart lock? The flame humidifier? The bird feeder? Tell me your pick. And if you love discovering tools that make everyday life genuinely better, hit like, tap subscribe, because the upgrades are only getting started.